Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NEM or XEM coin. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that NEM has completed on the weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this previous analysis with you that I shared almost a year ago in the month of March 2021. I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon when there was extreme sell-off and the price line was moving down. I told my members that it may move down to complete the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal shark move. And I also shared this pattern in my video with you almost a year ago. This was the video. And you can, when I'll play the chart, you can see how the price line moved down and completed the final leg and started the reversal move from here. We also had a nice support of 200 weekly simple moving average inside the buying zone. By the way, this was not on the weekly time frame. Sorry, this was on the 2-day time frame chart. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line indeed moved down for the completion of this leg here in the month of April 2021. And after that, the price line reversed bullish and hardly hit the sell targets, and after that the price line again moved down. That was more than 95 or 90% move, but again moved down. But now this time it has formed a bigger pattern that is on the weekly time frame chart, and let me show you that pattern as well. I have shared for my members at the Patreon here, and that is another very big harmonic reversal move that has been formed on the weekly time frame. And this is, by the way, a harmonic Gartley move. Let me show you this pattern. This is the pattern that is the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. I shared this pattern with my members on 30th of January when the price line completed the final leg, and I told my members that it's quite oversold, as the stochastic is oversold, and it has completed the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley, and from here we can expect a reversal move. And by the way, the buying is starting from 11.99 cents and goes to 8.5 cents. Here at 8.5 cents, we have very strong support, and I'll show you how much strong this support is. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley, are from 16.64 and goes to 21.66. Now, if I play the chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside the buying zone, move a little bit up. Right now it is being traded at 10.65 cents. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here on the live weekly time frame, we can see that we have a very strong support, 8.5 cents. Here it was working as a resistance, here resistance, and here worked as a resistance. Here it turned into the support when the price line broke it out. And here it worked as a support, here it worked as a support, and here as well. And you can also observe that the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. That is a very clear signal that the price line can break out the resistance. So for the safer side, we can also wait for the breakout from this triangle, and then we can place our buying orders, and we can also follow the sell targets of this big Gartley move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.